Let me show you how to make the cheesiest Korean corn dogs. They're so good. Get a mixing bowl and add 1.5 cups of flour. Then add a little bit of sugar, a little bit of salt, teaspoon of yeast, 1 egg, and a cup of water. Whisk it until you get a nice soft dough. It should look something like this. Now cover it with plastic wrap and set it aside for 30 minutes. While that's resting, we're gonna cut the cheese. Bam, bam. We're also gonna cut our hot dogs in half. Whatcha? Now I set mine up extra cheesy because I do cheese, dog, and then more cheese. Allowing them to chill in the freezer for 10 minutes. The quick shortcut for the potatoes is just cubing up some fries. And now that everything's prepped, we can start the assembly process. Coating our dog in the batter, rolling it in the fries, some panko, and dropping it into some oil set at 350. Taking it out after about 7 minutes, and just repeat the process a couple more times. Finalizing them with some sriracha, and then just enjoying this absolute beauty. But you know what's better than one Korean corn dog? A second one.